Happy Saturday. Alright, so I'm on my way over to UPS store right now to ship out a package to my friend Chris, who sent me some caps for the wheels that he sold me. And the wheels look way better with the new caps on than the old caps. I thought the old caps looked a little off when I put them on. They were for a different style of wheel. They looked all right on the rim, but these definitely look like they're made for the wheel. Let's just go ahead and back up here. All right. I kind of want to redo this just because the Mazdas. Oh my gosh, it's not going to leave me much space on my passenger side. Okay. Yeah, that'll do. All right, so let's go take this box into UPS, get that all taken care of. See you guys in a second. I'll see you guys in a second. It's alright, right before I get in the car, I come to recognize that's flat. That's extremely low. Is there any more crap done to this car? Is the other side pretty bad? Oh. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Window patch. Wonder why this car's here. Oh well. Back on the road. And then this is where you go. And there you guys are. Alright, time to go to work. It's 12 o'clock. Keys would help. It's raining out. Standard Oregon. To the over yonder! Okay. Huh. Mount Hood's hidden. Too cloudy out. Alright, so an update on Caroline. Running just fine, no problems. It's been months since the last epidemic. Other than that, power steering has that natural leak. It's not bad. Recently, I started hearing the squeals that let you know, hey, put some power steering fluid in this car. Which my car takes, if you didn't know, Dexmark transmission fluid for my power steering because it takes a pressurized fluid instead of a bubble up fluid like some Hondas and some other cars that require actual power steering fluid instead of transmission fluid. So yeah, I topped that off. The car's been just fine, nothing wrong there. My heater, it's coming into winter right now, and my heater had just blown basically the regulator. So I can only use my heater on setting 4, which is it's all right. At least it works. My Honda Accord heater went out completely, and it was hell because the windows would fog up. You couldn't see. It was very difficult to drive. But for this, at least it works on setting 4. Maybe that'll get me by until I have enough time to purchase a new blower motor, so that I have a new fan and voltage regulator, because the fans started making noise a few months ago. Every time you turn it on, it's just getting old and it's ready to be replaced. So we'll go ahead and take care of that. Other than that, I have been rocking a spare tire for months. Again, winter is on its way. People are putting their snow tires on. I haven't seen any signs of winter weather yet, so I have not put my snow tires on. Which then, if I did put my snow tires on, I would have matching tires. But I didn't want to run my studs on bare concrete for over a month and then find out that, you know, ice is coming. You need studs to help get you through ice. So I'm waiting for the first signs of snow, since I know how to change my tires. Pretty simple. Other than that, I have 2 tires at home that can go on my car right now. I just haven't put the funds into it. Probably be 20-30 bucks, no big. But they would be matching on the rear, and I'd have all my rims back, because driving with 3 matching rims is kind of goofy. And again, with Caroline, this is a different car to me. The left side of the car looks great. The right side of the car looks like poo. But I appreciate it. I appreciate the flaws, because if this car survives me owning it, and in that said being that nobody hits me or I don't accidentally crash it myself, being that it's my daily driver, then I can appreciate what the car looks like, because I know what it could look like in the future. And that's what you do with car builds. You drive them, you build them, and once they're never done, but once they're in that range where you're like, yeah, this looks good, that's when it's nice, it's fun. You love your car and you appreciate it more for what you've done to it. So yeah, passenger headlights are different than the driver's headlights. I'm missing the fuel door on the back right corner. I have a spare tire on the back right corner. The rear bumper is damaged in the rear left corner. Oh, what is this? Hold up. Down car. All right, let's go. Let's reverse. All right, well, I wish him the best of luck on that. Whew, goodnesses. I see you. Red, huh? I don't like red that much. Bye, 34. One wheelie peely. Alright, we just got off work. 9 o'clock at night. It's pretty cold out. Cold start time. Let's do it. Let him know. Better. Good. Good work. Turned his lights on. All right. So, now that we're back in my end of the story, let's go get some food, because I am starving. Man, that footage earlier today of that car doing burnouts, I don't know what that was about. Okay. Hey, we got cops. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Just pull over. Ford Explorer pulling over a Toyota Camry. We were making a right turn. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, share a comment of how you feel. Don't forget to comment. I like seeing comments. And I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye. Another Prius. Another Prius.